On this video today, I'm going to show you a brand new traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. What I'm going to do in this video is that I'm going to show you the product that you have to promote. I'll also be showing you the traffic source that you are going to be using. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create an account with any CPA network that you want. You can create an account with CPA Lead, CPA Build, or any CPA network that you want. In this case, we are using CPAGrip. So once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to click on My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote. You can see these are all offers that you can promote to earn money on CPAGrip. You can see a whole lot of them. But these offers, they have a lower payout. You can see this offer right here, you're going to be earning $1.79. This one, you're going to be earning $1.71. This one is 90 cents. This one is $1.40. So what we have to do is that we have to find a country where we can get offers with higher payout. So you are going to come right here and then search for a country. In this case, we are searching for Australia. So just search for Australia right here. Once you search for it, you can see it. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can find offers to promote. You can see there's an offer right here. Become a millionaire. You are going to be earning 10 cents per lead. You can see the second one is claim a $500 Amazon gift card now. You are going to be earning $13.69 per lead. As a score, you can see many of them. This offer, you are going to be earning $10.27. There are a lot of them that you can promote on this platform. You can see many of them. This one, you are going to be earning $10.27. You can see 51 cents, and many others. So now what we have to do is that we have to find an offer that has a higher payout so that we can promote it to earn money. As we look through, you can see this offer has the highest payout, so we are going to be promoting it so that we can make money on this platform. To promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to click on the name of the offer. Once you click on it, you can see these are the details of the offer. You can see this is the title of the offer. This is the requirement. Enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. So our potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers so that they can stand the chance of winning $500 Amazon gift card so that we can be paid $13.69. You can see there are tracking domains that you can select. You can select any of these that you are seeing. So as a score, you can see many of them. Any of them that you want, you can select. You can see the warning right here. This offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in Australia, and you can see your affiliate link right here. So you have to get people in Australia to click on your link and then enter their mobile numbers for you to earn the money. They don't need to buy anything. They only need to enter their mobile numbers so that you can get paid. So now once you get to know the details of the offer, the next step is that you are going to begin promoting it. To promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to build a landing page. You can build a landing page like this. In one of my videos, I taught you how to build a landing page like this. The offer is the same, so I'm not going to build a new landing page. I'll link the video in which I showed you how to build this landing page so that you can watch it and then build this same landing page so that you can promote the offer. Once you build your landing page like this, the next step is that you have to drive traffic to this landing page so that you can get people to click on your call to action. Once they click on it, they can be directed to the offer so that they can complete it for you to make money. Once you build your landing page, the next step is that you are going to come on this website, easymob.com. On this website, you can advertise your link at a very cheap cost. They have a lot of different ad formats that you can select, and you can see self-serve advertising network. You are in control of everything about your ad. You are going to determine the cost per click. You are going to determine the amount that you are going to spend per day. You are going to determine the amount that you are going to spend on your ad. The platform will not determine the amount you have to spend on your ad. You are going to do so. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can use this website to advertise your link so that you can reach people in Australia to click on your link and then complete the offer for you to make money. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, register. Once you click on it, you are going to enter your username, enter your email address, enter your first name, your last name. You are going to enter your contact right here. So if you are using Skype or Telegram, you are going to enter your username right here. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then enter your password, repeat your password, and then accept terms and conditions. Once you accept that, you are going to click right here, register, so that you can register for a free account. If you don't want that, you can just click right here to use your Google account to create an account on this platform. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is your dashboard. You can see your balance is 0. So you have to add funds so that you can run ads on this platform. You can add funds using your credit card, specifically Visa, or you can use this one right here. I can't pronounce it well. You can also use your PayPal accounts. You can use your capitalist accounts to deposit money into this platform so that you can begin running your ads. So now once you deposit money into your accounts, the next step is that you have to start running your ads on this platform. To run an ad, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, manage campaigns. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see everything is 00. So what you have to do is that you have to create a campaign. To create a campaign, you are going to click right here, campaigns. Once you click on that, you are going to select the type of campaign that you want. You can see they have push campaign, you can see floating push campaign, you can see calendar push campaign, pop under campaign, native campaign, display campaign. So whatever format that you want, you can select that. In this case, I'm going to select push campaign, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to give a name to your campaign. So you are going to type the name of your campaign. In this case, we are promoting Amazon gift card, so let's just type Amazon gift. You can just type something like this. Once that is done, you can see add vertical. So you are going to click on it so that you can select the category of your ad. You can see they have adult, apps, utilities, AV, casinos, content, arbitrage. You can see crypto, dating. So you have to scroll down and select your ad category. Just scroll down and select the appropriate category. In this case, we are going to select sweepstakes. So it's about winning a cash, so just select that. Once you select the ad category, you are going to leave here like this, start immediately. So once you leave it like this, anytime your ad is approved, it is going to begin running immediately. So once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see campaign budget. You are going to select your total budget right here, the amount that you are willing to spend on your ad. So we are going to spend $100. So let's say $100. Once that is done, you can see daily budget. How much are you willing to pay per day? So let's select $10. We want to spend $10 per day. So let's type $10 right here. Once that is done, you can see CPC, cost per click. How much are you willing to pay per click? So anytime a person click on your link, how much are you willing to pay? So we are going to leave it with a default. We are willing to pay 0.01 cents. So that is the amount that we are willing to pay per every click that we get. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see how would you like to spend your daily budget. You can see evenly, and the second one is as soon as possible. So you are going to leave it evenly. If you select this, they can spend your money at any time, but if you say evenly, they are going to spread this amount throughout the day. They are not going to spend all your money in the morning or in the afternoon. They are going to start from the morning to evening, so you have to select evenly. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see campaign limits. You can see conversion per day, the number of conversion you want per day. You can see click per IP. How many times do you want a person to click on your link? So a person should click on our link one time. We don't want people to click on it several times so that they will detect that we are using a bot traffic. Just leave it one. The conversion per day, you can enter any amount that you want. Let's say we want 200. Let's put it that way. That is okay. Or you can even make it higher. Once that is done, you can see click per IP address. One is okay. Impression per IP address. How many times do you want a person to see your ad per day? So we want them to see it 3 times. So let them see it 3 times. So if a person see an ad 3 times and have not clicked on it, it means they are not interested. So just leave it 3 times. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. You can see location. So you are going to select the country where the offer is allowed. When you come back on CPAGrip, you can see the offer is allowed in Australia. You can see it right here. the offer is allowed in Australia, so you have to select Australia. Once you come back, you have to search for Australia. Since the offer is allowed in Australia, you can see they have grouped them. So what you have to do is that you have to search for Australia. You can search for the country right here, or you can click on any of these so that you can find the country. So if you want, you can just click on any of them so that you can find the country. You can see many of them. The easiest way is to search for it. Before you search for it, make sure you deselect this option and then search for the country that you want. In this case, we want Australia, so just search for Australia right here. Let's search for it. As you can see, this is Australia. Just click on it. As you can see, that has been done. We have selected our country. You can see selected, say yes. You have selected Australia. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select your country, you can see day and hour. So if you don't want your ad to run on specific days of the week, you can select that. If you don't want your ad to run on specific hours during the day, you can select that. So for example, if you don't want your ad to run at 8 o'clock on Sunday, you have to deselect that. You can see it right here. If you don't want your ad to run at 1 o'clock on Monday, you can deselect that. But in this case, we are not going to control the time. We want our ad to run throughout the week and all time, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see OS, that is operating system. So you have to search for the appropriate operating system. When you come back on CPAGrip, you can see this offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in Australia, so you have to select iOS. So just come back and then select iOS. You have to deselect the rest. Just deselect the rest. You don't want all of them. Deselect everything and leave iOS. Just leave it iOS. As you can see, that has been done. You can see iOS, the rest. Just leave everything. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see device. There's no restriction, so you have to leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see device brand, so it is allowed on Apple. So you have to deselect all and then select only Apple. It is allowed on Apple iOS, so we have to leave Apple. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see browsers. There's no restriction. It is allowed on all browsers, so just leave it and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see connection type any, because there is no restriction. Just leave it like that. You can see country and then you can see the search. What we are going to do is that we are going to select Australia, so just click on it and then search for Australia so that you can select it. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down, search for Australia. You can just search for it. Let's search for Australia. You can see it right here. Just select it, click right here, yes, so that it will be selected. We want traffic from Australia. So once that is done, you are going to scroll down, click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to leave all this. You don't need to touch them because it is not all that important. Just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you can see the campaign type. We have selected that. The next step is the title, the description, and then our affiliate URL. So you have to go back on CPAGrip so that you can copy these details. When you come back on CPAGrip, this is the title of the offer. Just highlight it and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back on your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next thing is the description. So you have to go back on CPAGrip. Once you come back on CPAGrip, you have to highlight the description of the offer and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. Once that is done, you can see destination URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on CPAGrip. Once you come back, you are going to click right here, copy link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see upload main images and you can see upload icon image. What you have to do is that you have to come back on CPAGrip. Once you are on CPAGrip, put your pointer on the image of the offer. Once that is done, right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save images so that you can save the image of the offer onto your device. Once you save your image, you have to come on Canva so that you can design your image and then download it. So once you're on Canva, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create a design. Once you click on create a design, you are going to click right here, custom size. Once you click on custom size, you are going to enter the size right here. So you have to come back on the ad and then find the appropriate sizes. You can see these are the available sizes. You can see many of them. One of them is 300 by 300 pixels. So you have to select a design with this size so that you can upload it. You can equally design your image based on all these sizes. You have to come back and then enter 300 pixels by 300 pixels. Just enter the size and then click on create new design. Once you click on create new design, you are going to see something like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to upload your image. To upload your image, you are going to click right here, uploads. Once you click on uploads, you are going to select upload files. Once you click on upload files, you are going to select your image and then click on open so that your image can be uploaded onto Canva. As you can see, it's uploading right here, so you have to wait for it to upload. You can see it has finished uploading. You can see this is the image. Just click on it so that you can use it to design. Once you select the image, you are going to drag it like this and then open it wide so that it can take a lot of space. You want it to cover this space, so just drag it. As you can see, the image has been well placed. The next step is that you are going to download your image. To download your image, you are going to click right here, share. Once you click on share, you are going to select download. Once that is done, you are going to select download again. Now, as you can see, your image has been downloaded. You can see it has been downloaded. Once you download your image, the next step is that you are going to click right here, upload main image. Once you click on upload main image, you are going to select your design and then click open so that it can be uploaded. As you can see, this is the image. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, add. Once you click on add, your image has been uploaded. You can see it right here. Delete one of them because it's the same image, so just delete one of them. Once that is done, you are going to upload icon image. You can create a new design or you can use this same image. In this case, we are going to use this image, so just click on upload icon image. Once you click on it, select your design, click open. Let's deselect all of this, deselect everything and then leave one. We are going to deselect all of them, leave one. Once that is done, you are going to click on add so that your image can be uploaded. You can see the image has been uploaded. Once you have your images, you can see every detail that is required. We have entered that. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, the next step is that you are going to click right here, finish. Once you click on finish, you can see this is your ad. It is waiting for approval. So you have to deposit money so that your ad can begin running on this platform, and you are going to be getting traffic from Australia. You are going to be getting the right people to click on your link and then complete the offer for you to make money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.